guys, Laura here from Hedgehog's Homestead. I just thought I'd show you how some of my starts are coming along that I did clippings from earlier in the year. We chitted some seeds for grapes, or not grapes, cherries. We chitted some seeds for cherries, and I thought I'd show you how things are kind of going. We did Rosa Sharon, we did roses, and we did cherry seeds. So let's show you how those are coming along. Rosa Sharon that I put in soil, and I've been watering every other day in a basin from underneath. They are doing fantastic. They are rooted in nicely. They look fantastic. Just one little dead leaf there. We'll take that off. The Rosa Sharon that I started in water, you can see I started them at the same time. And let me just show you, they don't look as healthy. And there is some roots growing from here, so I am going to plant them in some soil today. But they don't look anywhere good as the ones that I put in soil. This I'll be able to put in our yard next year. Now this is the roses that I started, and you can see not all of them took. This one is questionable. This one is definitely dead. So I'm going to just toss that, put that in my compost. This one has taken. I see little bugs on there, so I'm going to spray that off and just take care of those little mealy bugs or gnats or something. We'll take care of that. So these are cherry seeds, and what you do is that you cut into the cherry, and you can see here, got one that's ready to go. You can see the little start coming out of there. So we're going to plant that today, and any others that are like that. And so what I did is, you can see from this, there's an outer crust. Let me see if that's showing up on camera. So there's an outer crust on your cherry seed, and you break that open with some pliers, and then you have the inner seed, which you can see on this one that's coming apart too. See that outer? And then the inner just looks like a little almond. And then this is what it looks like when it's going to seed. So we have a couple of those that are like that. And so we'll plant those. And anything else, see, this is what they look like before they sprout like that. And we have had these in the refrigerator since 8/1 of 25. So I'm just gonna, I have a little poker, one of the roses that didn't make it. I'm just gonna poke a hole in the soil and plant it. So far we have actually 3 that started out of all the seeds that we did. We did quite a bit of seeds. Now that I got those planted, I think I'm gonna toss the rest of these seeds because I don't think they're gonna chit at this point. And we'll just move on with our other starts that we're creating. So these are my hydrangeas. We have one that's dying and not doing so well. It might have gotten too much water. but they have been outside. This is a princess tree, and we got some lavender to start successfully, and is rooted in. So some of it is still doing well. None of my roses did really well from cuttings at all. We just had those two inside that did really well. And so, but I only have one crepe myrtle. This one died, but this one, which right now is sucking up some water, is doing pretty good. This is our lonely crepe myrtle. So not doing that great with the crepe myrtles, but as you can see, our Rose of Sharon compared to the Rose of Sharon over here, our cherry plants are doing good. And then, so there was a little bit of roots on those Rose of Sharon here. And then this is a double play spirea. I had some roots on that. I had that just sitting in some water, so now I put it in some soil as well. I'll put a picture of what the double play spirea is. This is the one I need to spray. Oops. Of course, I tipped that one over. I need to spray with just some soapy water so we can take care of those bugs that are in there. We will be spraying this just with a little bit of Dawn dish soap and seeing if I can get those to come off. There's some kind of little gnat. I don't want them to spread to other things. So, and I'm gonna put those there. Now they look better. Let's see if there's any on the underneath side. Yes, so I better make sure I spray them from underneath as well. And see if we can kill those. I have some rose seed inside that I have some rose seed inside that I have in the freezer right now. We're going to see if those start to chit, meaning they start to develop roots on them, and then we'll put them in some soil after that. So that's what we're doing with that. And so my cuttings from my crepe myrtle did not take. I don't know why. I don't know what it is. So I need to do some more research. Okay, there you go, guys. That's how my starts are doing that I started. The next project I have coming up is I'm going to make some shampoo for hair loss. So I have an aloe vera that I cut the bottom off, a leaf, and it's going to have aloe vera, rosemary, fresh rosemary that we're going to extract the oils from, and some glycerin soap, and we're going to try that. I've got a little hair loss. There's a few people in our family that would enjoy that, so we're going to try that and see how that works. So I'll be making that my next video, and we'll see you guys next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead. Bye.